Toyota Land Cruiser embodies toughness and capability. Backed by over 70 years of heritage, this iconic off-road machine is recognized across the globe for its ability to go just about anywhere. And for 2024, this incredible SUV makes an epic return, packing the latest technologies and a renewed emphasis on off-road capability to fuel adventures. Featuring 2 available grades, plus a global first edition, and powered exclusively by the iForce Max hybrid system, Land Cruiser is back and ready to showcase why it's an automotive icon. For 2024, Land Cruiser returns to its off-roading roots, and it comes equipped with plenty of advanced powertrain and chassis technologies. This starts with the TNGA-F architecture, which features a fully boxed frame with Dejima welded blanks for enhanced structural rigidity. Skid plates help protect the underbody from debris during off-road driving and complement the 8.3 inches of ground clearance, while standard recovery points help ensure easy vehicle retrieval. To help maximize traction off the beaten path, Land Cruiser has available features like a multi-terrain select system that now functions in 4-high and 4-low, and standard crawl control. Complementing these is a standard rear-locking differential that can help split power 50-50 between the rear wheels in limited traction situations, and an available front stabilizer bar disconnect system, which enhances its ability to tackle tough obstacles on the trail with front-wheel articulation, resulting in better ground contact. Additionally, full-time 4-wheel drive helps improve Land Cruiser's on-road dynamics for a smooth, stable drive on the way to the trails. Land Cruiser's emphasis on performance is even more evident when its powertrain is considered. Every grade comes standard with the potent iForce Max hybrid system, which uses a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and an electric motor backed by a high-voltage battery, generating a healthy 325 net combined horsepower and an impressive 465 pound-feet of electrified torque. This powertrain is the ideal partner for Land Cruiser's rugged suspension and helps ensure there's abundant power on and off-road. Plus, generous low-end torque provides effortless performance in challenging driving conditions. What's more, Land Cruiser's maximum towing capacity of 6,000 pounds allows it to haul plenty of gear to the next campsite. Heritage is a crucial part of the 2024 Land Cruiser's design. It backs up its impressive capability with an appearance inspired by its predecessors, which helped cement Toyota's off-road credentials. For instance, the rounded LED headlights on select grades pay homage to the past generations of Land Cruisers, especially in combination with the heritage-inspired Toyota grille. Land Cruiser's good looks and upright greenhouse don't just help make it easier to see the road surface and the trail from inside the vehicle. It's also a way to connect the modern-day iteration to its legendary predecessors, which feature the same rugged yet practical design. Plus, 2 of the 7 exterior colors, Heritage Blue and Trail Dust, feature an eye-catching 2-tone layout. The Global First Edition doubles down on Land Cruiser's toughness and usability with a standard 3/4 length roof rack, standard Rigid Industries color-selectable LED fog lights, and standard rock rails, all of which emphasize its focus on activities like overlanding, a type of off-roading where the journey is the focal point. Additionally, the Global First Edition's grade-specific 18-inch wheels put Toyota's off-road heritage front and center in the modern age. The adventurous spirit isn't just limited to Land Cruiser's exterior. Step inside, and the first features that stand out are those that underscore its ability to go nearly anywhere. The standard 2400-watt inverter, for example, can power small appliances for short-term use while off the grid, while the available center console cool box provides storage for provisions on the go. Additionally, available front and rear USB-C charging ports and an available Qi-compatible wireless charger keeps mobile devices fully juiced for moments that must be captured and shared. On top of all that, Land Cruiser has a ton of conveniences available that make it as comfortable on the daily commute as it is on a big trip. With seating for 5, there's room for everyone to come along. Creature comforts like standard heated and available ventilated front seats, a standard heated steering wheel, and a standard smart key system makes this incredible machine as easy to live with as it is to take on a long journey. For even more convenience, an active Remote Connect trial or subscription gives owners access to the available digital key, enabling them to use their smartphone to lock, unlock, and start the vehicle, and share access with an approved list of drivers through the Toyota app. Land Cruiser's throwback design is complemented by the latest multimedia and connectivity technologies. The newest Toyota Audio Multimedia System, which comes with a standard 8-inch or an available 12.3-inch touchscreen, includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and music subscriptions. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music and Google Maps. Furthermore, an available 14-speaker JBL premium audio system provides an epic listening experience, while the available head-up display projects key information in the driver's line of sight. Rounding out Land Cruiser's tech story are its impressive driver assistance and convenience features, complementing its standout performance. That means every grade comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes features like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, and full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control. What's more, the available multi-terrain monitor is designed to help the driver see the vehicle's surroundings when driving off-road. With a long history backed by outstanding performance, there's no questioning Land Cruiser's iconic status. This nameplate has won the hearts of the world thanks to its blend of off-road capability and daily usability, all backed by Toyota's reputation for quality, durability, and reliability. And since Land Cruiser is a hybrid, it supports Beyond Zero, Toyota's efforts towards its vision of a carbon-neutral future. Together with its show-stopping design and cutting-edge technologies, Land Cruiser is ready to show the world that legends never disappear, and why this SUV has been an off-road icon for over 70 years. Learn more about Land Cruiser on Toyota.com.